Bruh, they don't even give you a warning for the song. Wait, let's try this again. Hold on. No!
You know what my name.
Like, huge. Like, if that tips over and fall on your foot, you're done.
You're done. You're done.
Woo! Hot.
Oh, it's hot.
It's a sauna. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in, and welcome back to another video. Okay, so clearly I'm in my car, and that usually means one thing. We're gonna hit the road.
Yeah, we're gonna all get together and we're gonna go
shopping! I am looking for a few things in particular. I'm trying to see if I can find some nightstands and maybe a few mirrors. But mostly, I'm trying to beat the holiday decor, okay? You guys know I've said it time and time again. I don't do seasonal decorating. Anyway, like I was saying, I don't do seasonal decorating mostly because I'm not putting that stuff back up. I'm not decorating for a month and having to find somewhere to store it. So it is September at get out of my shot. It is September at this point, which means there's going to be a lot of Halloween and a little bit of Thanksgiving, like a bunch of pumpkins and stuff. So yeah, we need to see what they got and we need to get it.
Get it while the getting's good.
So we are going to be going to Homegoods. We're going to be going to a couple different locations, probably 3 or 4. So it's going to be fun. We're going to see what is in store and what I think you guys should grab, even though I may not have room for it. So let's go. Bruh, they don't even give you a warning for the song. Wait, let's try this again. Hold on. No!
I touch the back of your soul. You got a man, I bet I can make you pack up and roll.
Don't nothing hit like them old school Lil Wayne mixtapes. I don't care what nobody got to say about it. Fight me.
Maestro. Yamula, baby.
I like the shape of these. These are kind of cute. Like the tipped over pot look. These look real. So pretty. Hey, love. I think those are so pretty. That's a clean, simple bench. Not too much going on. This is, oh wow, only 100. It's a little wobbly though. Cute. I actually really like this lamp. How big it is. $300. We're gonna back away, but it is really nice. How do we feel about the frame? Ignore the picture. Ignore that, but the frame can be kind of cool, right? Only $24.99. This one's pretty too. Not the print. I mean, the print is fine, but frame. This one's only 20. Do you like that one better? Okay, I love this chair. Super cute, super relaxed. 500. See the little details? Like, I love that. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little stool? It's so cute. Ooh, it's actually pretty heavy too. What's the price? No price. I like it though. I kind of want to ask how much it is. I know these are kind of out there, but in the right space, I feel like you can really get away with these. 400. I kind of like them, actually. Cute. Now here's a pretty cute travertine console table. See how the legs are just like straight, so it's like really sleek, but then it has the little rounded feet like that. It's only 130, not bad. And this is giving RH vibes with the hammered metal or iron. Marble top. 150.
And all these broken promises that we can see them at the front door. You ain't thinking about them. Ghost can deep, but meet you right there. Just like when I look at you started all night long.
Rolling with me, oh, I'm T-Pain. You know me, convict music, nappy boy. She gone in the bowling, yeah. I'm in love with a stripper. Like, you know that shit gon' be packed. Cause I was staying home when they was having fun. So please don't be surprised when they announce that I won. Drinks on me like a coaster. We doing it big. Look at what I done. And this is how my speech go. I deserve this shit. I deserve this shit. I deserve this shit. I'm it. Call me Mr. IT. That's all I gotta say. At the top is where I stay. And tell my haters never go away.
Oh, I might have to get this for my fig tree. If I darken it up a little bit, because I've been looking for a cylindrical planter. How much is this? Heavy. It's $100. Ugh, it's a little steep. Nightstands, $200. Marble top. Very nice. I keep seeing these tables. Like I told you guys in my other video, I don't like the base, but I love how dark this is. If I could figure out a way to get the stone off without damaging it, it would be so amazing. But this is kind of cool. Yeah, $17. Look how organic it feels. A book topper. It is cute. It's like old books. $17.
Got hits go back like Juicy G, yeah. She having a fit cause she wanna get next to him. Yeah, you know my name. She digging my style, my swag, my sway, my swerve. My way with words, the boys observe for sure. You know my motherfucking name. Yeah, let's rock.
Spotted my sister. It is about 90 degrees and she's wearing a sweatshirt. Hi guys. Crap. Here's the dark travertine tables again, but these are actually round side tables and straight legs, so I like that better. It's $130 for the big one and then cheaper the smaller you go. This ottoman is so cute. Little round feet. Shoe storage. No price. These marble tables RH vibes for sure. I'm not mad at this bookshelf. It's super cute. It's $400. I like it. I like the rounded corners. Cute. I'm not sure what this was inspired by. I try to pop up a picture, but I feel like this is inspired by some kind of vintage chair. Rachel's, it's $250. Kind of small, but love the shape. Onyx, I think this is $170. She's like huge. Like that tips over and fall on your foot, you're done. She's cute. Let's see. 50. Texture's really good. Love the shape.
Every day like the first day. Still get butterflies, oh yeah. I keep some fun in love, baby.
Ella will always be it for me. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope you guys saw some things you liked. I hope you're actually able to find the things you liked like at your locations. So yeah, I did end up getting a few things. Actually, I want to see how well you guys know me. Let me know down in the comments what you think I got from these trips. I didn't get a lot, but let's just see. And I'll just tell you guys in another video, of course, in a haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.